Hello everyone, welcome to Maths Online Classes. In this video, we are going to solve the problems from exercise 4.1. Let us see the first question. In the given figure, name. So this is the figure. In that, you have to name any 6 points. Second one, any 5 line segments, any 4 rays, any 4 lines, any 4 collinear points. So let us see one by one. So first one is any 6 points. So we have A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H and M, N, P, Q. These are the points. So write any points. I am writing A, B, C, D, M, N, P, Q, whatever. So he is asking only 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 enough. Okay. Next, second one is any 5 line segments. What are the line segments? Which has 2 endpoints. A line which has 2 endpoints are called line segments. So here, XY is a line segment. A to M, a line segment. A to P, MP, PB, EM, MN, EF. Like this you can write line segments. Let us write XY line segment and AM. It is a line segment. Next to AM, CN line segment, EF line segment and EF. So you can write PQ also, PQ, whatever, PQ. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 completed. It's asking 5. Okay. Not only this, you can write PB, QD, NQ, NF, QH. Like this you can write so many line segments. Next, third one is any 4 rays. So rays are. So what is the ray? If a line has only one endpoint, is called ray. Here, PB is a ray. PB is ray. In which side we can extend? B side. We have the arrow market B side. So here also we have to write arrow market B side. And QD, arrow market D side. QD. Here AX. AX is also a ray. Arrow market A side. AX. PG. Arrow market G side. MN. We can write either this ray or this ray. If you put M side, we are taking this ray. If you put arrow mark at N side, we are taking this ray. Okay. Next, how many? 4. Already we written 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So only 4 is enough, or you can write more than. Next, fourth one is any 4 lines. What is the line? Which has no endpoints. So here, MN. You have to write 2. Okay. Next, CD or CN, whatever. Both are same. CD line, it denotes this total line, and CN line, it is also same. It denotes the same. CN and CD lines are same, but CN and CD line segments are different. Here cn line segment is from just here to here, but cn line is denotes the total. ఓకే, లైన్ అంటే మొత్తం అక్కడి నుంచి ఎంత ఎక్స్టెండ్ చేయగలిగితే ద టోటల్ ఈజ్ సిఎన్ లైన్. ఎంబి నెక్స్ట్ జిహెచ్ ఎంఎన్ దిస్ లైన్, సిఎన్ దిస్ లైన్, ఎంబి దిస్ లైన్ and GH this line. 4 lines covered. Next, any 4 collinear points. What are the collinear points? If 3 or more points lies on the same line, then they are called collinear points. Here AXM are collinear points, or XMP are collinear, or AMP collinear points, XPB or AMB, these all are collinear points. This AXMPB, these all are also collinear. 3 or more, not only 3 points, if we have 4 or 5 points on the same line, they are also collinear. Therefore AXMPB, these all are collinear points. Let us write AXM, next CYNQ, we can write here also 4 or 5 points. Next FNME and FNME, this is AXM, CYNQ, can write D also. Next HQPG, these are collinear points. Let us see once a small doubt. జనరల్గా మనకు ఒక కన్ఫ్యూజన్ ఉంటుంది, అదేంటంటే ఇయర్ AM is a line segment. It is just from ear to ear. It is the AM, only from ear to ear. And AM ray, it denotes from ear to, and we can extend up to infinite. So this is AM ray, and AM ray, it denotes from ear to, we can extend this infinitely. This side we can extend this side infinitely. Next, AM line, it denotes the total line. We can extend both sides infinitely. So that is the AM line. It is the total line. Okay, that is the AM. This is the difference between line segment AM, rays AM, and line AM. So not only this, here also MN line segment only ear to ear, but MN ray, if you put, this is the MN line segment, MN, and MN ray, if you put arrow mark at inside, it is MN ray. And if you put arrow mark at M side, it is this. And MN line, this is the total line. So here again, MN ray, this is the MN ray, is equal to MF ray. This is also same. MF, this is F, MF ray. MN ray means it is the MN ray. We can extend infinitely. MF ray is also same. ఈ రెండు కూడా ఒకటే. ఎంఎన్ రే అంటే ఇదే, ఎంఎఫ్ రే అన్న కూడా ఇదే అవుతుంది. ఓకే, దీస్ టూ ఆర్ ఈక్వల్. సియర్ పీక్యూ రే ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు పిహెచ్ రే. రెండు కూడా ఒకటే. పీక్యూ రే అన్న ఇక్కడ నుంచి మొత్తం అవుతుంది, పిహెచ్ రే అన్న ఈ మొత్తం అవుతుంది. ఓకే, సో అది డిఫరెన్స్ చూస్తూ మనం ఐడెంటిఫై చేయాలి. నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ ఈస్, సెకండ్ బిట్ ఈస్ అబ్జర్వ్ ద ఫాలోవింగ్ ఫిగర్స్ and identify the type of angles in them. So let us see the first one. It is a watch. The angle is given here. So by observing this, so here it is straight angle. Up to here, this is the straight angle, and it is more than straight angle. So what is the angle between? So what is the straight angle? 180. So this is more than 180 and less than 360. So what is such angle? So reflex angle. This is reflex angle. Next, what is the B? So by observing this, it is just like this. So therefore this is right angle. Next, C. So how is the C? C is less than this angle. So by observing this, it is less than this right angle. So what is the less than right angle? Acute angle. So it is acute angle. Okay. So next, third one is state whether the following statements are true or false. In that first one is, a ray has no endpoints. A ray has no endpoints. In previous video we discussed about ray. What is the ray? A ray has only one endpoints, but in our question he given which has no endpoints, so it is false. Okay. Next, second one is, line AB is same as line BA. So in both, okay, line AB same as AB. So in both cases, so line we can write in any way. AB and BA both are same because the arrow marks lies at both sides. Therefore AB is equal to BA. So it is true. Third one is, a ray AB is same as ray BA. So in the first, arrow mark is at B side. In the second, the arrow mark is at A side. So these are not same, these are different. So because AB can extend B side and BA can extend only A side. Okay, BA extended to A side. So both are not equal. So this is false. A plane has length, breadth and no thickness. Yes, a plane has only length and breadth but not thickness. So if it is thickness, it is space. So that means it is three-dimensional. Okay, so a plane has only length and breadth. There is no, this is the plane. Okay, so it is true. Next, sixth one is, two distinct points always determine a unique line. Yes, two distinct points. Suppose these two are two distinct points, determine only one line. Okay, so this is true. Two lines may intersect in 2 points. No, intersect at only 1 point. So like this, they should not intersect at 2 points, they intersect at only 1 point. Okay, so next, so it is false. So next one is, two intersecting lines cannot both be parallel to the same line. Yes, two intersecting lines, these two lines are intersecting lines, in that any one of these is parallel to this line. Okay, so this is parallel to this line, this parallel to this line, or parallel to this line. These two are not parallel to, these both are not parallel to the this line. So it is in question also is given these two are not parallel to that line, therefore it is true. Next fourth one is, okay, what is the angle between two hands of a clock when the time in the clock is, okay, in that first one 9 o'clock. So let us see the figure. So 9 o'clock we should measure here. Okay, so from here to here it is 90 and plus 90 180 again 90, so it is 90 totally, this is 270 degrees, so that equals 270 degrees. Here it is 6 o'clock, so this is the 6 o'clock, so it is 180 degrees. 7 p.m. so it is, so up to here 180, so every 1 hour it makes 30 degrees, so here 30 60 90 and plus 30 30 and 30, so it will become 180 plus 30 210, it is 210 degrees. Okay, thank you one and all.